Salt is not good for your health.
Lots of mixed fish. Snapper. Parrot.
I take care of your soup? Yeah, man, cold straight.
Wagwan. It's pretty early in the morning. It's now like after 4, going to 5 a.m. in the morning. What a iconic spot. What a little spot here in Swansea, Clarendon. We're in a Clarendon early in the morning. Crazy vibes. Yo, the place is still dark. If you guys realize, the place literally still dark. Early in the morning, sometime 4:30, to come create some real Jamaican authentic dishes from coal fire. Right now you can see the boss over there start ketchup. I'm gonna start ketchup some coal fire and thing. The iconic signature dish here is haggard and bean. They have to try that with more stuff on the menu like stewed chicken, steamed fish, all of them thing there. Ackee and saltfish, sometimes them do kalaloo, all of them thing there. Early breakfast stuff, you can come right here and 6 o'clock at a morning and actually get good real food. 6 a.m. soup and them thing there. And it's crazy. And we're there for taking some early morning cooking. We're there in a Swansea. Yeah man, Clarendon vibes. Yeah, hold on, you use a whole crocus bag catch a fire.
Yeah.
Whoa.
A new lick this one.
Yes, the new lick.
Yeah.
Yo, a whole. I never know the crocus bag could have blaze fire someone. Whoa. Yeah man, early morning Clarendon vibes, the fire just start catch. We catch it from start, natural authentic vibes. You don't know the thing, yard life vibes and crocus bag catch fire. You don't know the thing man. Yeah, I never know say crocus bag could catch fire. I never know say it could actually melt like that. Look at that man.
Yeah.
Wow. Man, I use an entire crocus bag catch fire. That's the vibe here in Clarendon, early morning vibes. Yeah man. Oh. 4 coal stove light already just in space of 2 minutes. We see 4 coal stove light up with crocus bag blazing. Wow, crazy. And the thing about this spot, them come out so early like 4:30 in the morning, and the thing with this spot is it's from Sunday to Sunday. Sometimes you come at this spot on a Sunday and the line where they are up on a Sunday for the food. Crazy vibes. The haggard and bean where they have to try that with other stuff on the menu. Yeah man, cooking vibes. And these are the haggard.
I get this.
Freshly prepared haggard every morning.
Mm-hmm.
Oh.
I get that pretty too.
Yes, that one I pretty. Wow. Yeah man, so the haggard literally done cut up in space of minutes, done chop up and thing. Can't wait to see the whole process of that. Crazy vibes here man. Swansea, Clarendon. Yes, I'm supposed to the only place you can actually get haggard and bean so early in the morning. Crazy vibes. Supposed to the only place in Jamaica you can actually get them type of food so early in the morning. The haggard and the bean specifically. Crazy vibes. And they have to take in the whole process.
Food pot.
So that's the food pot.
Yeah.
Dumpling, banana and them thing there.
Dumpling, banana, yam.
Alright. First pot gone on the fire. Whoa, what a big pot. How so much ackee and saltfish you make? Whoa. That's the ackee and saltfish pot. Big old pot right there. So ackee are going on that for a while out.
That's a good they had to get a go pan.
Oh, haggard are going on this. Alright. Good haggard and bean are going on that one.
Looks good, isn't it? Pretty.
I said that one are pretty.
Yeah, pretty.
pretty. I get under this, I go and wash up. Get him clean. Wash him twice, wash him 3 times. Wow. Cow skin. Big soup pot gone on the fire now. So cow skin, chicken food, soup right there. So I get on bean right there. So that's the food spot. Yeah man, right that's the food spot. Yeah man, and ackee pot there right there. So wow. See what going for that again. Pretty. Yes. Red peas and cow skin. Wow, for the big soup pot over there, sir. Yes, man. I've been for there again. Wow. Reaching out. Broad bean. This is for the again. Oh, what a pack. Yes, man. Banana over here, sir. Again, the right there, sir. Yo, the morning is just vibes here already. Yes, man. Cool them a kick under the pot them already. The morning start off right. Crazy cooking vibes here in Clarendon, man. Swansea. Yes, man. We need to stop us and get some of that again and bean a crazy vibes. Can't wait to taste some of this. So all of them are for the super.
Yeah.
And people I drink soup, so they're not short of cow skin, man.
No.
Wow. I'll get over here, so season, I'm gonna go and wait. Just going in the pot over there, so. Oh, yes. You fry out mainly fry out the grease out of it.
Yeah, man. Fry out the pot out of it.
Yeah.
Throw off the oil and then...
Throw off the oil and then cook it down after.
Throw brown in funny after and cook it down.
Wow. So this, again, I prepare different as you hear from the chef himself. So when him fry out most of the oil out of it, chew off that oil, the greasiness, and then cook him down after, browning and everything, cook him down after. So it is different right here. While most people just throw him in the oil and brown him down and everything. You're gonna get that right, so. Yeah, so. The grease, fry out of this, and then chew off all of that excessive amount of oil, and then cook down after. So boil out the salt out of saltfish. Yeah, man. Hold on, wash off it up. How are you actually? I first not see that water. I first not see that water.
Yeah, man.
Saltfish gone in a pot. Ackee go in a pot now. The ackee wash up. Yo, I never see this here. Ackee wash. Wow. Big pot down as I boil up with the saltfish right now. About to dump some ackee in it. You know the Jamaican vibes. Yes, man. I get over this, I go and get out most of the grease, chew off them oil. I want to know the vibe. Realness. Real. Ho ho ho. Whoa. Whoa. Get out the grease out of that. Vibes. morning just a come up here now. You can see the sunrise I come from way back over that side. Natural authentic vibes there. Oh, cow skin just turn over gone in a pot. Ackee and saltfish. Then a pot you saw go and bubble down. The haggard over you saw go and bubble down. Natural authentic vibes, and the morning just a come up here now, the place I get bright and we see things more clearly. Yeah man. Alright. Peas I wash up now for going at the pot, you know. Peas soup, cow skin, chicken foot, all of them goodness there. Oh my god. We're in Clarendon man. Vibes. Big street food morning. Big street food morning. Yes man. Oh, you see a little grizzly part there. Jeez, I'm pissed. Oh, yes, and part they look good on the haggard. You know the grizzly.
So we cornmeal dumpling.
Yeah, man. Tons of cornmeal and flour. Yes, man. Can't buying up. No time. Carrots, Irish, sweet potato. Yeah, man. Hey, and normal handwork you take to put in them work, man. Dangerous handwork, them, man.
Yeah,
Oh, yes. All of the banana you're gonna put. Alright. One bunch of banana going at the pot today. Yes. Man, non-stop movement. Yeah man, non-stop movement with the hands, man. From right in at the door straight in at the pot. Yes man. This will come here fine, man.
I don't know very enough.
Yeah, the boss today again, you know.
Right here.
I get boss, man. Yes, man. Yo, that look pretty in the pot there. That look pretty in the pot there, man.
Go into something, don't move.
Wow.
Chop, chop.
A lot of dumpling gone in the pot, about 100, about 200 dumpling gone in already. Yes, man, and dumpling still I make. Look at that. Wow. Wow. So look more from this, a chew of the grease.
Yeah, chew of the
Oh,
oil.
yes. Cooking down pepper.
Yeah. Right now, you have to cook it now.
I say I have cook.
Yeah.
So when you're ready to put that browning and them thing, then basically finish.
Yeah,
You not take no time after that.
Yeah, ready for serve. after
Wow. Wow. Dumpling still a go on that pot. Beautiful, beautiful morning. Sunrise are going over there, so natural, authentic vibes. And haggard in a pot, ackee and saltfish in a pot, dumpling in a pot. I go in a pot right about now. It's just crazy. Cow skin gone in a pot. You know, a big pot of soup are going. Natural, authentic vibes. In the early morning, Clarendon vibes. Swansea! Yeah, man. Yeah, so we're there this morning. Oh, early morning vibes. It's now little after 6. The road I get busy. Children I go school. And the vibes crazy, natural, authentic vibes. Yeah, man. Ah, I said dumpling stop going on, you know. Gone in the soup pot. Oh, peas already in that. Peas already in the soup pot and the cow skin in the soup pot already. Natural vibes, some dumpling are going there now.
We can cook fast.
Yeah, you move well fast, man. Much pot gone on already and a bubble, man. Yes, man. Wow. Some more goodies for the boiled food pot. Sweet potato there, right? So, banana look like they're not soft.
Yeah, they look soft.
Yeah.
Where's that?
You leave it here, bro.
Yeah, right there.
I don't know.
You know, give me one for you.
You never see plastic bag then?
Them I don't
Yeah, man.
Them I know meat, you know. Some meat flour, you know.
Eh?
Take it up at time to see where them.
Same way, sir.
What? But I love it.
No!
Wow.
With piece of salt mackerel or something.
Oh, yes. Oh, yes, man. I'm dumping a pretty cheese out this. Man.
Yeah, man. I love when it's swell up and hot. See we are something like
yes. Pretty.
Yeah.
Yeah, man.
Bananas. Yeah, shit like a banana.
Yeah, man. Wow.
You can't taste it.
Wow. Let's say this can taste right now?
Yeah. You're very tasty right now. You hot, you know, you hot.
Boy. Oh, we get piece of the haggard for taste already. But this the flavor down, nothing yet. It's just a fry out the grease. And we get a little piece for taste already. Right tonight. Woo. And this not cooked down properly. Cheese and man. Wow. Top of the morning, blessed morning. Man. Whoa.
So this is not good for your health.
Yeah, the bag of grease.
Yeah.
Yeah. fry him out. Wow. Right back on the fire. Oh my god. Yo, that is so good. Cheese and peas. I travel come miles for this. I'm gonna regret it already. And it even cooked down good yet.
That's all for you?
Soft and nice.
That's all already.
Oh my god. Just some water just add to the agate there. Yo, the texture and the taste are kick up, give a punch already. And I'll know the beans to add to that now. No browning, no seasoning, a real good seasoning to add to that. And the flavor of the agate there already. Man. If you guys never had this, if you guys never tried this, this is something you need to try. Agate and beans. And you don't have to get it right at this spot, because this spot actually do it different. As you say, fry out the grease out of the agate, the bag of oil, and then chew up that excessive oil, and then add water to that. Add water to that, add seasoning, flavor to that, beans to that. It's just crazy, man. Whoa. So tap him up back with some cola now.
Yeah.
Yeah, man. Yeah, for the soup pot.
Soup pot. Whole skin with red peas.
Yeah, man.
Green banana, Irish carrot.
Hey, but you know what I'm telling you, say? And normally good soup, I see people cut up the banana with the skin in now. We are getting it in the cow. We are getting it in the cow skin. Whoa. Whoa.
Onion. What about this?
Man.
Yeah.
Yes, man.
Huh?
Those skin are golden. Yes. Look at that pure steam of goodness that come out of the soup pot. Once that cover lift up, pure goodness that come out of that. I escape. Cheese that. Put up the saltfish, I can't saltfish pot. A lot of onion, a lot of sweet pepper, a lot of scallion mixed with all of that saltfish and hot pepper. Of course, you can't leave out the hot pepper because that gives flavor to vibes in the morning.
You ready yet? Yeah, that's your ackee then.
So anybody pull up dumpling ready for them eat?
Yeah, dumpling ready for them eat. Banana, but dumpling, pretty
Hot
nice.
and nice. Yes. I get season up some scallion, onion, sweet pepper gone in that right now. And you don't know that ackee and saltfish pot the right so that I can get feed those right now. As somebody pull up, it's now after 6, somebody pull up, them can get breakfast. Dumpling already done boil up and banana in a pot, them look so pretty. Yes man, the vibe early morning. Main attraction, yeah man, beans gone in the haggard right now. So you know say all of that I go and cook down and bubble down. Generate all of that smell, that texture. Oh, and everything come down to par some carrot gone in right now. Oh, the vibes. Yes man. So this look like that's some seafood touch.
I could jerk season this.
Oh, it's a jerk vibe.
Yeah. Hello.
Just about 5 or 4 pepper add to that. Oh, a lot of flavor and a lot of spice. Saltfish just gone in the pot with all of that seasoning, you know, scallion, onion, pepper, all of them things there. Natural vibes can fry up a little bit, about 2 minutes, and then add ackee to that. Natural, authentic vibes. I get that being ready. People are pull up right now. Natural, early morning vibe. It's just 7 o'clock on the dot. Crazy vibe. Look on this. See, I get that being ready for serving. Wow. Much enough. Yeah, hurt into my heart, you know.
Ready Yes, man. What's skin in it?
You just want to make sure I get in there. Look when you're sharing, you know. When women are share food, hands drop. Hands drop. Yeah. Your back can hold up.
Sometimes.
You can't grab one. You can't bother to walk, you know.
Steam fish time.
Yeah.
The fish look like them season up from overnight though.
Yeah.
A lot of mixture of fish out there. Snapper in it too. Snapper.
Doctor.
Parrot. Wow. Oh yes. Wow. Nice. Some good old stew chicken breakfast style. Cow skin with chicken foot. We just see a lot of fish, about 3 or 4 different type of fish gone in that juice with pure okra. All of the goodness, all of them goodness. Them fish they gonna sit down in it right about now. You know that now it's time for steam. And soup pot a go on, dumpling pot, food pot, more food I go cook again. Natural authentic vibes. See pumpkin I go and cut up you know. Good old early morning stew chicken vibes. See some stew chicken over there in the pot right now. And more food I go cook. Crazy vibes. The soup pot I come down nice and proper in the morning. Yeah. Crazy. The dumpling and the banana them done boil already there. Again I'm being finished up. Ackee and saltfish finish up. People are forward for them food. Smell them food and are forward. Crazy vibes and some stew chicken. You don't know. That's an iconic breakfast meal. Stew chicken with what a fried dumpling or boiled food. Or rice, just crazy vibes. And we're in Clarendon at Swansea. And I'm gonna take a look on that stew chicken and more food. A boiled pumpkin, I go in the pot and I'll go and color it up. Yeah, man. I will see a pot the right here, so right on foot with about 4 or 5 different fish in that, you know, so that gonna sit down in them juice with okra, a lot of juice, a lot of seasonings, okra and pure things. So you know, so them gonna we see parrot, we see snapper, you know, so all of them things they gonna lay down in the pot and go and get all of that juice, you know, that they take the time to steam down. Wow, and food a share. Wow.
I get that, you know.
Oh, the famous again.
Yeah.
Yes.
My partner, brother.
Oh, yes. People just have pull up for breakfast. People are pull up for them food right now. Them smell the haggard from afar. Oh my God. Can't wait for dipping on this.
A little done.
Yes, man. vibe. You find a little corner, yo, the plate now. Burn. Just look on the steamer come off and yes, so we get some ackee and saltfish. I'll pair that with some again. And also dumpling and banana. Start off the morning right, stew chicken and deal with steamed fish over there. It's just crazy. Yo, remember me tell you now, if I come myself for that again. Yes, to be putting some of this banana. Natural early morning. Oh yes, the gravy, the spice of the cream. In not just the gravy alone. See if we can get some of the greasy part of the haggard. Whoa. Whoa. Oh my god, we actually take a taste of this before it actually cooked and before the browning add to it. We just fry up. So remember this actually fried on. It's actually fried on and get out the grease and then chew off that excess oil and then put down in some more water and some browning and more seasoning and carrot, everything to eat the body. Oh my god. Again in a clarinet. Whoa. 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 Oh my god, get that piece of that again. Nice, this is the skin part, piece of the skin part with some, hear that with some cookie. That's our fish right there. Right now, I need to think about food, just the again. Whoa. So, palm meal yum there. Lots of gravy as it should. It's an active early morning spot. Remember me tell you, by 7 o'clock breakfast we're ready. Again, ready every day. Ackee and saltfish. Can't get tired of this. This is one of my all-time favorite ackee and saltfish. Butter ackee, smooth. One of the wickedest thing. Remember me tell you, in this era, the haggard and the bean. Because after stop yourself for this. That carrot steamed down, fully soft out, mash out. We'll get some of the beans from the haggard. Oh my god. Let's get some of this ackee. Make it some again. Some dumpling. Yo, this is crazy. This tastes real good. Not even lying, man. This tastes so good. bone them actually pop this the juice in it when they suck out the juice out of the bone. Like it's strike your throat. Oh my god, man, look at this, man. Oh yes. Natural vibes here in the current now. We are going to head back over and see what going on in the pot. Stew chicken about a bubble, stew fish, rice and peas, more stuff. We are going to mash on with it and head right back in the pot. Yeah. Yo, that haggard and bean was a vibe, and as we're done mashed down that, we back around the fire again and say, yeah, I got boil now. Soup pot still a bubble, crazy. Brown stew chicken over the sort and bubble down same way. It's just natural, and people are pull up taxi, pull up chuck, pull up and get them haggard and bean, especially the steamed fish there, the ackee and saltfish there is just the whole vibe and crazy cooking and eating right at this spot, man. Swansea, Clarendon. Yeah, man. Chuck man and the trailer man, them a pull up for them food. Taxi man, them a pull up for them food. Crazy haggard vibes here in Clarendon, man. One more pot gone on the fire, but you don't know. One more food pot gone on the fire. Yam and banana in it this time. Yeah, man, no more dumpling. One pot over here, so load with dumpling. Crazy vibe. Oh.
Now I'm buying so much banana. Now look still. Where are the food they fast? Where are the one they fast? Where up in there?
On there.
Go with the bicycle, brother. I'm going to go with the bicycle. But if I'm around the yard, then okay, come out there and you come out.
Stew chicken a bubble down, chop park up, people are pull up and come for them food. Oh, look on that stew chicken.
Look nice so good.
Oh my god, man. Man, you can't eat same way, sir. Yeah, man.
This man, this.
Oh my god.
Every morning he comes.
Every morning he comes.
Me soup come he cooking soup.
Wow. What nothing left in this, man? Everything are done. Yo, the haggard goes fast, not even an hour since it finished, and look on that, the haggard are done already from out of the pot. Stew chicken are basically finished up now. Stew chicken done. stew chicken done, so now I gotta eat some stew chicken with some more banana. Oh my god, yes man. Take you up from now.
Want to pound of chicken foot?
Oh yes. More food again with this hot. Oh my god. More food beside this stew chicken and some more banana. Oh my god. No, just look on this. Just look on this, you can tell. You can tell all the texture and this and the feel. You can know how it have a taste just by looking at it. Keep on eating. The flavor. It's a sting bagay. Hot just come out of the pot. Ooh. Wow. Also, like a piece of it. Yellow. Always bring back memories that taste. Green banana. A lot of food at the spot. I don't have to put more banana because the harder than bean with the ackee and saltfish sell off the whole of the banana that I cooked before. Some more banana for cook and yam for cook, dumpling and sell off. Ooh. Yo, this meat has stink. Packed with a lot of flavor. Packed with a lot of flavor. And the texture just booming. Literally just chucks, on top of chucks are pull up and stop for them food. Also we got some soup. Ooh, the steam will come out of this. Some cow skin. As we speaking, people still are pull up, trucks still are pull up. People are stopping and get them food that up on the way. People are stopping and eat. Same place on the spot. We're here from 4 something this morning. It was straight back to now it's like to 9, after 8 going to 9 in the morning, and it's just crazy. The food keeps going. I'm there from early from the stove, from the coal fire light. Whoa. Then we're going to have some soup now. Same fuck we use now. And this big chunk of chicken. Oh, big chunk of cow skin. Oh my, it's bigger than the cup. Just going to have a good taste, you know. Oh, that cow skin taste. Like you literally, that cow skin smell when you get it before going at the pot. That's what you actually getting now. The smell of the cow skin and the taste of the cow skin. Oh, not a lot of food in this, just the soup, that broth. The pumpkin, heat the thickness. Oh my god, one piece of this skin. see if we can get a bite of this. Woo! Yo, this well hot. Oh my god. What the flavor of this soup. Oh my god. Go me the steam. Come about that stinging scotch. If you don't know cow skin, you don't know someone this just come out of the pot. Look on the steam and come out of this. You don't know anything you can just put this in there. Oh, people are pick up steam fish upon the menu. People are pick up and just a bunch of this part is just a hot spot. Crazy hot spot for food. Especially the again and beef. That's the main meat right here for go with your food. Natural vibe. Chicken at the fire. It's just crazy. The food never stop. Wow. That pepper sting. Ooh. After eating all of that food, I just want some soup, some nice soup like this. We just roll it down. Garlic. It's a pumpkin. This cow skin really want to bite piece of it, but it's hot. Oh, this is so hot. Oh my god. I mean, so crazy vibes here, man. Swansea, Clarendon, right at this spot. Crystal and Jack, crazy vibes. You pull up right here, coming from Kingston, like you're heading to Fireside Jerk. It's just minutes down the road, Fireside Jerk. So up the road at Fireside Jerk, you find this awesome spot. Great food, man. Crazy vibes, authentic cooking. Cool fire. Right now, we start talking and people over there get them food. Wow. Over there, try mash down the soup, down know the vibes, yard life. Before we go, I get another serving. I get another serving of the haggard and bean with more ackee and saltfish because that almost finished. I get almost out of the plate. So we have to carry some of that going. Assess the vibe, kill the first and just take one serving of that. It's just crazy and it tastes so good. That's it. Good. Double.
No, that's good.
Oh yes, more food. We can't leave and when I get more food. Some of that haggard, I get a mixture of haggard and bean. I get some ackee and saltfish, some more stew chicken, some banana dumplings. Just crazy. Natural authentic vibes here. Swansea, Clarendon. If you want to pull up, we're not gonna see Crystal. That's Crystal. She runs the spot. And Jack is crazy. The top chef right here. So we're not gonna pass him every single morning from Sunday to Sunday, right?
Yes,
Sunday to Sunday, Crystal. Blessings, Crystal. We're there. And Swansea, Clarendon, man. Hot spot. Crazy vibes.
So you have ackee and saltfish, haggard and bean, and then it's stew chicken with the yam and dumpling and banana.
Yes, man. Respect,
that's the
man.
go.
Respect, you know?
Yeah, man, cool.
Empty cup.
What you say?
Soup have to go in night first.
What you say? That you what?
Yeah,
I take care of your soup?
yeah, my cold skin.
Whoa! Oh my god! Yeah, man.
Yeah, what a little one today.
Yeah, a little one too small. It's too little. Yo, the cow skin soup vibes right here, man. Crazy. People pull up for them food in them own dish, and people pull up for soup in them with them own cup. Crazy vibes right there, so man. Yeah, man. Oh.
You know it?
Yes, man. More people are pull up for food. Yo.
The food I get and bean, but I pure dumpling, man.
Yes, I hear dumpling.
Straight dumpling, man.
What another? I get that.
I get patent.
Whoa. Whoa. I see that. Empty. The haggard is a vibe right here, man. I'm telling the people go crazy for it. Yeah, man. Alright.